Marcian Edward. Marcian Edward was born on 28 October 1937 in Rochester, New York. He is also one of the main inventors of the microprocessor. Hoff joined Intel in 1967 as an employee, although the whole credit goes to Mr. Federico Faggin to design individually Silicon Gate design methodology. He did the actual chip design. Marcian Edward came with the idea of using a universal processor rather than a variety of custom designed circuits. He was appointed on the highest position of the Intel company. In 1979, he was awarded by the Franklin Institute Stuart Ballantine Medal, the IEEE Cledo Brunetti Award in 1980, and the Franklin Institute Certificate of Merit in 1996. He was introduced into the Inventors Hall of Fame in 1996 and got the National Medal of Technology and Modernization in 2009 from President Barack Obama. He was made a member of the Computer History Museum in the year 2009. Marie Curie, the winner of Nobel Prize of Physics in the year 1903, along with Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1911. Marie Curie was brought up in Warsaw, Poland. Her forte was not one but multiple fields. Marie Curie coined the term radioactivity and discovered polonium and radium, both of which are isotopes and used in present-day treatment of neoplasm by medical practitioners. Although she shared the Physics Nobel Prize, yet she is still the only woman to receive the two greatest awards in the world. An active member in the World War I and post-World War days, Curie developed mobile radiology units for 1,000 soldiers where they could be treated. The Curie Institute in Paris and Warsaw, founded by her, are popular research centers today. Studied in the University of Paris, the year of 2011 was declared as the year of Marie Curie by Poland and France in her honor. Max Planck. Since his birth, Max Planck had a passion for music. There were a number of musical instruments that he seemed to have simply mastered upon. But when it came to choosing a profession, he chose physics and went on to become a leading German theoretical physicist. He got his doctorate of philosophy in 1879 from Munich. The first of his works included studies on thermoelectricity, entropy, and about the theory of diluted solutions. He was the person who originated quantum theory. When he had started his research, one of his professors had told him that there was not much left to discover in physics. So, he dedicated his life into just filling out the holes that were left in between. His work on quantum theory also led to him being awarded with the Nobel Prize in the field of physics in the year 1918. Besides, He also won other accolades that included the coveted Goethe Prize and Copley Medal. Max von Laue. Max von Laue was born on October 9, 1879, at Pfaffendorf, near Koblenz. He was the son of Julius von Laue, an official in the German military administration. At the Protestant school at Strasbourg, he came under the influence of Professor Göring, who introduced him to the exact sciences. In 1898, he left school. For a year, he did his military service. He then went to the University of Strasbourg, where he studied mathematics, physics, and chemistry. But soon, he moved to the University of Göttingen, where he worked under Professor W. Voigt and Professor W. Abraham, who greatly influenced him. After obtaining his doctorate at Berlin in 1903, von Laue went for 2 years to the University of Göttingen. In 1905, he was offered post of assistant to Max Planck at the Institute for Theoretical Physics at Berlin. In 1909, he went as private docent to the University of Munich, where he lectured on optics, thermodynamics, and the theory of relativity. In 1912, he became professor of physics at the University of Zurich. In 1951, he was elected director of the Fritz Haber Institute for Physical Chemistry at Berlin-Dahlem. Here, he did much work on X-ray optics in collaboration with Bormann and others. He passed away on 24 April 1960. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.